Baka wala. Patayo lang.
If you could see what I see, you're the answer to my prayer. My prayer, only you can feel the tenderness I feel. You will know what we live, the angel brought me here.
Walang ginagawa sa ano ha. Sige, sumabay kayo ano ha. It would be clear.
Dapat may copy na kayo.
The angels brought me here.
Patayin mo kaya, di. Kasi hirapan sila kumakanta, nakaupo. Meron pa kumakanta, nakaupo. Siyempre yung boses nyo, gumaganon nyo. Dito nang gagaling sa ilalim.
One more.
Kailangan direct.
Sige tayo.
Yan, tara. Yung part ano? Yung ano, koro ha.
Yayos, baka bumagsak.
Ikaw eh.
Yayos mo na rin laptop. Yayos mo lang, direct mo lang yung laptop. Baka mapagsak.
Ano ba talaga?
Oh my God.
From the start na lang nito, okay lang.
You're a star. Tapos nakakalito bigla, brought me here. Tell me where it is.
Direct mo sa kanya yung laptop na kasay.
Hindi, okay lang. Layo na lang tayo. It's a long and winding journey, but I'm finally here tonight, picking up the pieces, walking back into the light. Listen to your glory with my heart and future lies. There's nothing like that feeling.
Ginagawa sila ng vibration.
Bawa sa'yo ano?
If you could see what I see, you're the answer to my prayer. My prayer, whatever you could feel the tenderness I feel, you will know it won't make a live. The angels brought me here. I'll be forever grateful. Oh, forever grateful. My dreams came true when I found you. My miracle, my miracle. If you could feel what I see,
Tapos ito.
you're the answer to my prayer. And if you could feel the tenderness I feel, you would know it would be clear. The angels brought me here. You see what
Stay.
I see.
Kasi,
You're the answer to my prayer. And if you could feel the tenderness I feel.
Tin, S2 ka dyan. S2 ka. Di mo kinukuha yung S2 ang hilap eh. S2 ka dyan.